All right, let's work on another easy one today. I think this should be hopefully a quick video unless I screw up. This one's Leetcode 217 contains duplicate. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. So I believe one of the optimal approaches for this in terms of time complexity is using a hash map again. So hopefully we can use what we learned last video and not make any mistakes on the C++ portion. Let's see if I remember how to do this in Python. So the idea is we're going to keep, actually we can use a hash set. So we can use a set in Python to store the numbers that we've looked at so far. And every time we get to a new number, we'll check to see if it's already inside of that set. So maybe we'll need to use a different data structure in C++. But let's see, in Python, we can do scene equals a set. We'll say for num in nums, if num in scene, return true. Otherwise, we just need to add it to the set. So scene.add num. Let's see if this works. Wrong answer. Oh, we need to return false if we don't see a duplicate. Okay, looks like that works. Cool, very simple solution. Let's see if we can do it in C++ now. So I actually don't know the data structure for set, or I can't recall it. So let me Google that. Maybe it's just called unordered set. Unordered set. Looks like that's right. How do we add to a set? Looks like insert. Okay. So let's see if we can implement this in C++. So what did I do? I have to create an unordered set. So unordered set scene. And then we will do a for loop again. So we can, this time we don't actually need the index. So we can use our, I think what it's called, it's auto num like this. I think that's how we do it. We can say if scene dot, let's see if it contains. Maybe this is the same method as an unordered map. Contains should work, it looks like. So if scene dot contains num, return true. Otherwise, we will do scene, what was it called? Insert or something? Insert. Scene.insert num. And then if we break out of the for loop, then we need to return false. All right, let's see if this works. No viable constructor for template arguments of set. We need to pass in the type. So this will be of type integer. Looks like that runs, and let's submit it. Cool, seems like that works. And I guess this doesn't look like it's the most efficient solution. Sometimes looking at some other people's solutions can give you hints about things you can improve on. It looks like this solution is using a sort function. And they're just checking to see if there's two consecutive elements, I'm guessing. So that's interesting that sorting is more efficient than using a hash map. I wonder how that's possible since sorting should be n log n. But yeah, I don't think we need to go through this, but I think that's pretty much the video. This is my implementation of it in C++. You can check out what Python looks like, and thanks for watching.